In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Fidelity HSA. If you have a health savings account with Fidelity and want the full set of features on your computer, the website is the best place to manage everything in one spot. An HSA is a tax-advantaged account designed for qualified medical expenses, and using the online tools makes it easy to track, spend, and even invest your healthcare dollars. Start by opening your web browser and going to https://www.fidelity.com. On the homepage, click Log In and sign in to your Fidelity account. Once you're in, look for the Accounts and Trade menu at the top. Open that menu and select your HSA account. That takes you straight to your HSA dashboard. From here, you can view contributions, pay medical expenses, invest your HSA funds, and transfer money. Think of this as your command center for everything related to your HSA. Let's quickly walk through what you can do inside. First, contributing money. You can add funds directly from your linked bank account, and if you want consistency, set up recurring deposits so you're automatically building your HSA balance over time. Because HSAs offer tax advantages, many people like to plan contributions on a regular schedule. Just make sure you're aware of current annual contribution limits. Next, investing your HSA money. Inside the HSA, you can choose from stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. This is useful if you're saving for future medical costs and want potential long-term growth. Be sure to review your risk tolerance and diversify appropriately. You can always start with a simple approach and adjust over time as your comfort and needs change. Paying medical expenses is straightforward as well. You can reimburse yourself for qualified expenses directly from your HSA. The key here is documentation. Always keep your receipts and records for tax purposes. If you're unsure whether an expense is qualified, review IRS guidance or consult a tax professional before you reimburse. You can also transfer funds within the HSA, moving money between the cash portion and your investments. Many users keep some cash available for short-term or upcoming bills and invest the rest for longer-term healthcare needs. This balance helps you stay flexible without being forced to sell investments at the wrong time. Remember, HSAs are tax-advantaged accounts, and using funds for qualified medical expenses helps you avoid penalties. With the website's full-featured tools, you can confidently contribute, invest, pay, and transfer all in one place. That's how to access and manage your Fidelity HSA on your computer.